How to make edits on the portal. First of all, log into your account using your username and password. Your OTT account logins will work for the portal as well. Now, if you want to update your course, on the left-hand side navigation bar, please select Courses. Now, in this case, we'll be using Austrian cities course as an example. Now, you'll be redirected to your courses page. You need to select the right course ID and click on course name, Austrian cities. Now, here you need to select the right version ID of the course you want to make changes. And then again, you need to click on the course name. If you do not know your course version ID, please contact your account manager who will assist you. So this is the back end of the course. Very likely you will be making changes either to the course module pages or top navigation pages. So here at the top, you see course modules. Select course modules and select one of the module pages you want to edit. Now, you will see that module is divided into individual pages. So if I scroll down at the bottom, you will find all these module pages. So if I want to edit, let's say, where in the world is grass, select Edit. Now, each module page is divided into blocks. So we've got media upload, where you can change images, upload videos, and text editor, where you can edit your course text. So in the media upload, if you want to upload a new image, you need to select the right template. So here at the top, you have lots of different options. And then you need to select Choose File and select an image from your device. As well, if I scroll down, you can also upload a video. Just please know that our portal uses embedded YouTube codes for video uploads. So you can either upload video converted into YouTube file yourself, or if you want, you can send your video to the account manager who will assist you in uploading those videos onto the portal. Now, when you're making changes, please make sure that you always save those changes. So here at the bottom, we've got a pink button. So please save. Now, in the text editor, you can change the font. You can also change the size, or you can even change the color code of the headline. So here you would select text color, more colors, and you will insert the right color code and select OK. You can also hyperlink words and then select link, type in the right URL and target. You need to select new window and select OK. Also, please note that if you copy paste anything from the website, please make sure that you copy paste all the text from the website onto the notepad and then copy paste onto the portal. This would make sure that all the formatting and behind the scenes code are stripped from the text. Now, you can always check how the course changes appear in the preview version. So here at the top, we've got preview next to the Austrian cities. So if you click preview, you will see the preview course. Now, if you want to make changes on the top navigation pages, again, you need to follow exactly the same steps. Just bear in mind that top navigation pages are divided into sections. So you will be making changes in one of those sections. So section 1, section 2, or section 3. And then again, you have to save all the changes and click on the pink button Save. Finally, the course changes won't be approved until you click on the button Request to Publish. So here at the top, we've got this button. You need to select Request to Publish, then accept all terms and conditions and select Submit. Now, at the top on the right-hand side, you will see this green box saying waiting for OTT review. So someone from OTT will approve your changes. Normally it is very quick. However, if it's very urgent, you can always contact your account manager. Once the changes are approved, the course edits will be live on the site.